Good morning. I think it's day 3 today. 3rd full day, I think. Not sure though. Losing track now, so it's day blah. And today we're going to Islands of Adventures over in Universal Studios, where we have a meal booked in one of our favourite restaurants, Mythos, at 1:15. It's a very, very late start. It's 23 minutes past 11 and we're yet to leave the room. But I'm happy. I've been doing editing for you guys. Everybody else has been making phone calls, checking the emails and things like that. So all is good. And come with us and see what we get up to today. My new trainers are wonderful. I am just gliding along. Makes walking effortless. What a beautiful, beautiful day. Mythos has just messaged us, it's just gone 12, and said if you want to go for our meal a bit earlier, we can. So, thinking we're going to get a return time for Hagrids, because we got an accessibility pass. We're going to do that first, then go and have something to eat in Hagrids, and then go on Hagrids when we're all full, which is a really bad idea. Our friend who shall not be named is picking us up then. As soon as we ring him and tell him we're ready, he's sort of hovering outside, bless him. So, yeah, it's going to be another fabulous day. Still really noisy in here, really like echoey because of the decor. Makes everything seem really loud. So it is hard having a conversation in here. And the prices have gone up again since last month, I think. Or since the last time we came here, definitely. But that's happening wherever we go. So I'm going to have the beef loin medallions. And Candy will have 12-ounce bone-in pork chop. So, yeah, the kids are wondering what to have, and they're going to have a look at the kids menu, I think. Even though they're both adults, there might be something different on there they fancy. But it is such a nice place.
Oh, lovely again.
Yeah.
Really nice, yeah. Always. It's always nice food, nice wine. Really nice. Sorry, just watching darts.
You're watching darts?
Yeah.
We're on vacation. This Pandy's sorry face. It was wonderful. We really enjoyed our meal again in Mythos.
The kids enjoyed it.
Yeah, we all cleared our plates, didn't we?
First time aiming high, I've eaten a whole meal.
Yeah. And they pinch some of our desserts as well.
Yes, hazelnut chocolate creme brulee.
Oh, it was lovely, really nice. So what's the plan now, Pandy?
Hagrids.
Oh, I've forgotten about Hagrids.
How did I forget about Hagrids?
I don't know, but I did. I forgot
So
about
we've had a
Hagrids.
full meal, a drink, a bottle of wine, and now we're going to Hagrids.
And then that's what we call half-cut Hagrids, isn't it?
Yes,
that's why it's called half-cut Hagrids.
Right, and then down to Murphy's, I think.
Yeah. So yeah, I can hardly move. But the best thing, if you can't move and you're really uncomfortable because you've eaten too much and you've drunk too much and all you want to do is sleep, is to go on one of the fastest roller coasters in the park.
Yeah, it is good.
Yeah.
Right, so I think the last time we looked was 95 minutes. Let's go and have a look now how long it's for.
Okay. We are...
Guy, you can...
I'm Rowan. This is cooler. Oh my god, look at the back. Oh, don't move.
That one's like a tiger back. Oh, that's cool. So 30, I can't see your fingers. That is cool. From a henna. You can have a henna there. Amy's had them a few times.
Hi there, good afternoon.
Good
Welcome
afternoon.
to Hogsmeade. Cheers everyone, safe travels.
The kids have just left now. We've just been on to Hagrid's. What did you think of it?
Oh, always awesome.
Yeah, fantastic. The best, my favourite ride, the best ride here. It comes second to Velocicoaster, but only just. Hagrid's is amazing. With a few secret touches as well that we never tell. So that's it for today. We've been fed, watered and entertained again, and it's time now to leave the park. Like I said, Amy and Kai have gone over to studios, so they're going to carry on in the theme park. Me and Pandy are leaving. We've been picked up now by he who shall not be named. So he's taking us out then for...
We're going early night because we are fishing tomorrow morning.
Oh yes, yeah, forgot to mention. We're going fishing tomorrow. Well, they are, I'm not. So they're in charge of the GoPro tomorrow.
God help us.
The guys will show you fishing, so the next video you see maybe of our fishing trip, hopefully, minus me. And they go into Lake Toho fishing. We're just about to leave the park and another brilliant day. See you soon.